Hi, it's Retry, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Motorola Moto G10. So first, check cable and the charger for damage and compatibility with your phone. Then flip your Motorola, and as you can see on the bottom is the charging port. You can clean it with a non-metallic tools, so use Q-tips, wooden sticks, compressed air. Just don't use any metallic tools because you may damage the charging port. You can test your charger and an outlet with another phone if you have, or your phone with another charger and outlet. If nothing works, then go into the settings, scroll all the way to the top, and type in update. Go into system updates. Once again, system update. I don't have connections, so you need to connect with the Wi-Fi. Just scroll from the top to open quick settings, then click and hold on Wi-Fi and connect. Okay, now go back to the system update, retry. As you can see, everything looks good, so my system is up to date. If yours isn't, then in the middle should be the button to update your system. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.